Hey y'all, Miss Christian here. So today is a little different. It's a compilation video of some shopping trips that I had that I really enjoyed. And so I just wanted to share, just give you guys a highlight.
Who have been to Sam's Club, is this a good deal? Let me know. They also have this case up here, which is another kind of variety, and it's $50 in that case for the same $17.99. So I guess it just all depends on like which one you're gonna get. So I'm gonna get this 30 case. I'm gonna get both of I'm gonna get this 30 case and I'm gonna get this 50 case. And so let me know which one. And this says for the 50 count tray. So this actually might be a little bit cheaper since it's only 30 in there. So let me know if Sam's Club beats out that price. That takes care of the chips. They also do have like the huge, like this bag is huge and it's $4.99. They also do have their own branded chips, but I think those will go stale before we actually will have a chance to eat them all. So I'm not gonna get a big bag like that. So they have the huge bags of popcorn if you're a popcorn lover. They have more like mixes and things up there. Don't go grab 50 bags of something and then you got to worry about storing 50 bags of frozen food. Just every time you go, grab one thing. Every time you go, grab one or two extra things and stock up like that.
Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night, all night. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love all night.
So the total came to $214.75.
Thank you. Have a great day. Okay?
You do the same.
Thanks.
So now we are leaving. They do have used boxes, like when they're stocking up their shelves that they say to the side that you can use. They don't have bags. You can use those used boxes if you want. Mostly everything that I had was big, so I'm not even going to worry about the boxes. I'm just going to put everything into my car. So I don't buy ground beef, but I wanted to come and just see what the prices were like. So right now for this pound is $6 for a pound of ground beef. And so they have like more up here that's $7.49. Here goes some up here for $8.49. So it'd probably be cheaper just to buy it unground, just a steak or sirloin or something like that without the bone, and grind your own meat. So I heard in other states that somebody has seen a pound of ground beef for $10, and that's like super ridiculous. But right now it's already $6 for a pound here, so who knows, it could go up to $10. So if you guys eat ground beef, like I said, other states it's already increased to $10. Go ahead and stockpile you up some, and put you some in the freezer so you don't have to worry about paying double the amount. It's already really hot. So they didn't have any turkey salami when I had came last time, but they do have some this time, and it's $2.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab two. This is not accepted on WIC, but I have my food stamp card. So now I'm over here. I'm going to get some cheese. I get 2 pounds of cheese on my WIC, and I believe it's this $6.49, and it's the kind that does not have the plastic covers. That's the kind that's available. And so I'm going to get 2 of these, and it's the 16 ounce. I don't even think they have any. probably get this 1 pound 16 ounce. Yep. So I can get this, and I can get 2 of these. This is the kind I'm looking for, and it's $7.99. I wanted to see just for reference, like, so if you buy some pasture raised eggs, they are $6.99. They have some right here, $6.49. Here goes some organic. You guys know how I feel about labels, because owning a restaurant, like, before, I know how you can put organic, you can put pasture raised, and what we think that is, and like just regular society, is really something different when it comes to the laws and how they're able to put pasture raised on something. And literally it can just, as long as the chicken gets, I believe, like a few hours a day on like a 4-foot or 2-foot space, like, then they're able to put pasture raised in food commercially. So these organic are $5.99.
Okay, so I completely said that wrong. They were actually $5.69 for the organic best, and as of today they are $7.49. And then the cage-free eggs were priced at $3.99 the filming of this previous video, but now as of today, February 2023, they are actually priced at $6.49. So both eggs went up over $2.50 a piece. Let me know that inflation, recession has hit, even though they kept saying that it was not going to be. Like, it's here in full effect. So stock up, everyone, please.
Apple juice, it tastes like you got it off the tree. It's, you know the taste. When you taste this, you're gonna know the difference, and it's no concentrates and no sweeteners added. So I'm gonna get one of these because it's just so good. And the crazy thing about it, I don't know if you guys have experienced this, but when I drink like more natural stuff or do more things that are from, food I made or things like that, like, my body has a hard time, like, I'll break out, like, it gets real sensitive to it because it's so used to watered down food.
From your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch.
Okay, and so for anybody who is looking for these for WIC, the ones that are approved are the ones that says 100% whole wheat, cinnamon with raisins, and it has to be 16 ounces. So I'm going to grab, I don't know, I think I want to grab 4 just because I get 4 pounds for my WIC. So I'm gonna grab all 4. I'm gonna make sandwiches with some, and then French toast with some of them as well. Okay, so I do need some more avocado oil, so I'm gonna grab 2 of the Chosen Foods avocado oils. This is the one that I usually get. It's $11.88, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So I'm so glad they do carry oat milk at Walmart now. Now I have to be careful on like my baby's oatmeal intake. So I'm gonna grab one of these, but I most likely will end up going to Kroger and getting flax milk instead. Actually, I'm gonna grab 2. My teenager, oat milk is pretty much all of the plant-based milk that he will drink. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the oat milk. Okay, so now over here in the frozen food, I'm going to grab him some chicken nuggets. So they're the Dino chicken breast plus vegetable chicken nuggets, and they are $9.79. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these and have those in the freezer as well. These, for some reason, my kids do not like them, and I've been seeing them like everywhere in the stores. My kids do not like this brand, and for my allergy baby, it actually breaks them out, even though it doesn't say egg. So I don't know what's going on with that kind of brand, but they are $6.99. So the other thing I come in here for is for their French toast sticks. These come they're like 4 small bags in a case, and they do not have egg in them. So they have French toast sticks over here. They also have, you know, their waffles. So like this case of waffles, I'm not for sure if it's $2.99. Stand for this case or for this. One of those. All the prices are right there. So it's probably this $13.49, I would say, or this $17.99. I'm not for sure which one. But these don't have egg in the French toast stick, so it's safe for my kids to be able to eat them, who has the allergies, and I don't have to worry about, you know, them grabbing the wrong ones. I just grab 2 boxes of these because they go through these really fast. But I'm going to grab I'm gonna grab 6 of the turkey bacon. I would have grabbed a little bit less if they would have had more sausage, but now what's going on in my head, I'm gonna have to use more bacon than sausage now.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So that is it for today's compilation video. Let me know down in the comment section how you like this video, and if you like it, I will definitely do more. All the videos, the full videos of the clips that I used are in the description box below. So if you would like to see the full video of that, definitely check the description box below. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.